Hello, Market Club members everywhere. As we wrap up the week, stocks are heading slightly higher today and looking to close out the week on a high note. The rally has been led by the telecom sector, mostly AT&T, which was up 1.5% after its earnings results today. And Verizon Communications rose 1% as news broke that Verizon is the front runner for Yahoo's core business after outbidding others, including AT&T. Conversely, Yahoo is up 1% as that news broke as well. Also looking ahead to next week, the question is, what will the Fed do? All signs point to the U.S. Federal Reserve keeping interest rates on hold Wednesday, but investors will be looking for hints about the Fed's next move on Wednesday. The next move is still seen as an increase in rates, but even as concerns over Brexit ease, the U.S. election is drawing closer, likely pushing back action towards the end of the year and possibly limiting the Fed to a single hike in 2016, which, as you know, is a far cry from its yearly estimate of 4 moves this year. So with that, we'll wrap up Friday by taking a look at the charts here, and we'll start with the S&P 500. As you can see, currently trading at 2,172 level, up almost 0.5% today. Chart analysis score still a plus 100 with all 3 trade triangles in the green range. And as you can see, we have, I'll turn on my craner, a nice 4-week upswing in this market. A key level to watch next week for the S&P 500 will be the 2074 level. 2074.02 to be exact. If the S&P would fall below that level, we would issue a red weekly trade triangle indicating a move to the sidelines position. Moving along, the Dow Jones, nice same chart, 4 weeks in a row. Dow was actually down a little bit earlier this morning, but it has rebounded. Currently plus 85 on the chart analysis score. Monthly and weekly trade triangles are still long, indicating a long position. Key level to watch for the Dow next week will be 17,713. If we get around that level, close below it, we will issue a red weekly trade triangle indicating a move to the sidelines position for the Dow. NASDAQ, same nice 4-week move here, still heading higher. Currently at plus 100. All 3 trade triangles are green, indicating a long position. And a key level to watch for the NASDAQ will be 4,786. If the NASDAQ was to close below 4,786 next week, we would issue a red weekly trade triangle indicating a move to the sidelines position. We'll switch back to gold. Gold here is actually kind of rolled over the top here a little bit, coming off the recent highs that we've seen. Currently trading at 1321 level, still plus 70. All 3 green trade triangles are in effect here. We'll actually switch to a daily chart here so we can show you the green trade triangle today right here, triggering at 1,336.30. Key level to watch going into Monday will be the 1,310.95 level. If gold was to close below this level, or actually not even close, like trigger below that level on Monday or even Sunday evening when trading opens up in the gold market, we would issue a red daily trade triangle indicating a move to the sidelines position. Nintendo, I just thought I would leave this in here real quick, has really come back to earth. As you can see, we had our recent highs up there around the 38 level, and it's come all the way back down, trading here at 28.45. Of course, it looks like the Pokemon Go hysteria has finally brought back Nintendo to reality, as investors look like to be taking some profit there. I know I did myself. Moving along, the dollar index still plus 100. All the trade triangles are green, indicating a long position. Key level to watch for the dollar next week will be, and this will be key with the Fed making its announcement, will be 95.37. If the dollar was to go below 95.37 next week, we'd issue a red weekly trade triangle indicating a move to the sidelines position. And we'll wrap it up looking at crude oil. Crude oil's been definitely taking a hit this week. had looks like 5 days heading lower. Then are currently trading at the 43.81 level. Currently trading chart analysis score -70, indicating a short position based on a red weekly and red daily trade triangle. Key level to watch for crude oil to exit the short position next week will be 46.13. If oil should move above that level, 46.13, we will issue a green daily trade triangle indicating a move to the sidelines position. With that, every success. We hope you have a great weekend, and we will talk to you next week.